All right, friends, today for writing, we are going to put all of our facts and hard research onto our book pages. Okay, so your book page looks like this, and it has your illustration on it, and it should have your lead on it. So my lead, if you remember, my lead was let me introduce you to the world's largest flying bird. This is the wandering albatross. So there's my lead. Okay, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my research sentences on the back of my Wondering Web and put them on my book page. So I go to my Wondering Web. Wondering Web number 1. Wondering Web number 1. And I flip it over on the back. I've already got my first sentence. My first sentence is, the wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of any flying bird. Their wings are 12 feet long and they can lock their wings in place. So friends, I'm just going to take the same sentence and put it on my book page, okay? Copy it word for word onto your book page. Because our book page is what people are going to read. No one's going to read our Wondering Webs. That was just for us to do our research and our thinking. And now we need to put it on our book page for other people to read. So that's exactly what I did. I wrote it right here after my lead on my book page. So now my book page reads, let me introduce you to the world's largest flying bird. This is the wandering albatross. The wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of any flying bird. Their wings are 12 feet long and they can lock them in place. And then I had to go on another page, which I gave you in your research folder. Your other page looks like this. I know mine looks very long. Don't let that scare you. So their wings are 12 feet long and they can lock their wings in place. Okay? And then I did the same thing for Wondering Web number 2. So I went to my research folder. I went to Wondering Web number 2. Here it is. I flipped it over on the back. And my sentence is, the wandering albatross only lays one egg every 2 years. So I took that sentence and I just copied it right onto my book page. So I go to my book page. The wandering albatross only lays one egg every 2 years. Okay, I wrote the same sentence right on there. Now, friends, some of us have 3 Wondering Webs. Some of us have 5 Wondering Webs. So you can take 2 days to do these sentences, putting the sentences on the book page, okay? I'm going to give you 2 days to do it. That way, maybe you just do Wondering Web number 1 and number 2 today, and then you do Wondering Web 3, 4, and 5 tomorrow, okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions.